today's video, I wanted to share with you a watermelon slushy recipe and the 3 ways I prepare it. These recipes are super simple, sweet, and refreshing. They are perfect for summertime, and I know summer is starting to slip away, so might as well enjoy it as much as we can now. And without further ado, let's get into the recipe. Cut your watermelon in half and save 1/2 in the fridge. We will be using the other half. Scoop or dice the watermelon into a container. I find it easiest to use a spoon or an ice cream scooper, and that way you can also save the juice as you go and scoop the watermelon. If you prefer to dice your watermelon, that is totally fine, and if you're unable to save the juice of the watermelon, you will be able to use water instead. Once you have emptied the watermelon as much as possible and saved the juice, pop the container with the watermelon in the freezer for 5 to 12 hours. It is best to do it overnight. And save the juice in the fridge. When the watermelon is frozen, take it out of the freezer, as well as the watermelon juice out of the fridge. I'm making 2 types of slushies today, so for the first one I'm adding about 5 cups of watermelon with about 1/2 cup of watermelon juice that I saved. But again, if you're unable to save your watermelon juice, just use 1/2 cup of water. Then I simply blend it up, and it is as simple as that. And this is the basic watermelon slushy. You can either serve it to enjoy right away, or you can put it in a jar and keep it in the fridge for when you want a refreshing drink. It will be a little bit less frozen by that point though, so just keep that in mind, but you can always add some ice and it's perfect. The other way I like to make a slushie has the same basis of about 5 cups of watermelon with 1/2 cup of watermelon juice or 1/2 cup of water. But then I also add the juice of 1/2 a lime, as well as about 10 mint leaves. I got mine from the herb garden that we have, but you can of course get them at the grocery store. Then I blend it all up and serve it. This one, as you can see, is a little bit more sophisticated in taste. You can of course decide to make just one of these 2 slushies and therefore use up the whole half of the watermelon you scoop. And if you choose to make the second one that I showed you, add the juice of a whole lemon and about 20 mint leaves. These slushies are simple, refreshing, and so tasty. Another way I enjoy these slushies is making them into popsicles. I have these popsicle tray that we got a while ago, and I simply pour the slushie into the tray. Today I made 6 simple slushy popsicles and 2 lime and mint ones. Once I added the slushie in and put in all of the popsicle sticks, I popped them in the freezer for about 6 hours before they were ready. Of course, you can keep it there longer. And the easiest way I have found to get them out is putting the tray with the popsicles under a bit of warm water for a few seconds, and that way they will come right out. Then it is time to enjoy these refreshing sweet treats. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you give this a try. Share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!